Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to JobStart channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So if you're new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 2nd June 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. When is International Everest Day observed every year? So it is observed on 29 May. Why 29 May? Because Nepalese Tenzing Norway and New Zealand's Edmund Hillary has climbed the Mount Everest on this day in 1953 as the first humans to achieve this feat. Question number 2. Which state government has started the Rozgar Setu scheme for skilled workers who have returned to the state? So it is done by Madhya Pradesh government. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is its CM and governor is Lalaji Tandon. Question number 3. Virendra Kumar, who passed away recently, was the Rajya Sabha member of which state? So he was the Rajya Sabha member of Kerala. Kerala capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Its CM is Pinarayi Vijayan and governor is Arif Muhammad Khan. Question number 4. The foundation stone for a missile park Agniprastha was laid at which place? So it is laid at INS Kalinga. Question number 5. Who has been appointed as the independent director of Indigo? So it is option number C, Venkataramani Sumantran. So Indigo headquarters present in Gurgaon and its CEO is Ranojoy Datta. Question number 6. India's long distance runner Kiranjit Kaur has been handed a ban for how long, many years by WADA? So WADA full form is World Anti-Doping Agency and she was banned for 4 years. So WADA headquarters present in Montreal, Canada and its president is Witold Banka. Question number 7. The tenure of Sandeep Pradhan as the Director General of the Sport Authority of India has been extended by how many years? So it is extended by 2 years. And SAI headquarters present in New Delhi. Question number 8. Which state has inaugurated the Mukhyamantri Swarojgar Yojana for returning migrants? So it is done by Uttarakhand government. Uttarakhand capital is Dehradun. It is for winter and Garsan for summer. Its CM is Trivendra Singh Rawat and governor is Baby Rani Moria. Question number 9. The meeting of the heads of tax authorities of the BRICS countries was held by which country? So for 2020, the BRICS is every meeting is going to held by Russia. So the answer is Russia. Russia capital is Moscow. Its currency is Russian ruble and its president is Vladimir Putin. And BRICS full form, BRICS is having 5 countries. So B stands for Brazil, R for Russia, I for India, C for China and S for South Africa. Question number 10. Center has approved rupees 445 crore for implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission in which state? So it is in Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Its CM is Bhupesh Baghel and governor is Anusuya Uike. Question number 11. Who has been appointed as the member of the Olympic Channel Commission? So it is option number A, Narendra Batra, who is the president of Indian Olympic Association. Question number 12. Which state has observed its statehood day on 30 May? So it is Goa. So Prime Minister Modi greets people of Goa on its 32nd statehood day because on 17 May 1987 Goa got the full statehood. So some geography to Goa. Goa capital is Panaji. Its CM is Pramod Sawant and governor is Satyapal Malik. So remember 30 May is Goa statehood day. Question of 13. Indian economy grew at 11-year-old how much percent in 2019-20 according to Central Statistics Office? So it is 4.2% in 2019-20, and in quarter 4 it grew 3.1%. quarter 4. Question 14. Which company has signed partnership with Zurich-based software company Avaloq to provide end-to-end wealth management capabilities through digital platform? So it is Infosys. Infosys headquarter present in Bengaluru, and Sahil Parekh is its MD and CEO. Question of 15. The Indian Navy has set up an ultraviolet sanitation bay at which naval dockyard? So it is at Mumbai. Question 16. What is the theme of World Menstrual Hygiene Day 2020? So first we have to know when it is observed. So it is observed on 28 May. So this year the theme is periods in pandemic. Question 17. Who has been awarded one of France's top science prizes, Christophe Marieaux Prize for 2020? So it is option number D, South African researcher Kwarisha Abdul Karim. Question number 18. Bejan Daruwalla, who passed away recently, was a renowned, so he was a renowned astrologer. Question number 19. Jogesh Gaur, who passed away recently, was a renowned, so he was a renowned lyricist. So these are the current affairs for today. So I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and be happy.